our channel, and I am the owner of this channel, Damzzy Wurld. So I'll be talking to us about nature, technologies, facts and some news to us on this channel. But today we'll be discussing about some space facts. But before I proceed, I'd like you guys to hit the subscribe button. Just subscribe and like this video. Then at the end, drop a comment to show me how you feel about this video. Thank you. So much about space, our solar system and the galaxy that we still don't know. Space is vast with billions of galaxies, stars and planets in our own solar system yet to be fully explored or understood. Scientists' knowledge of space is always evolving. The knowledge of space is always evolving. There's no particular explanation or definition of how space works, because space always evolves of everything inside the galaxy or the universe. Just for example, there was a time they said there's life on Mars, and there was a time they said there was no life on Mars. So there's no particular, the knowledge is always evolving. They don't know finish. That's the work of God. They don't know everything finish. That's scientists doesn't know everything about space. But I can tell you for sure, there are some really cool things right now that I'm going to share with you, and it's going to shock you so very well. But these things I'm about to share with you are facts, are proof about space. These are the things that can never evolve. I'm going to share some of them with us right now. Please make sure you subscribe. First thing is that space is completely silent. When you get to space, there's no way you can hear any sound, or you make a sound and it's going to sound anywhere in space. No, you barely hear yourself when you talk in space. That's how it is. There's no medium of sound in space. Space is completely silent. It's more silent than a graveyard. Space is completely silent because there's no atmosphere. There's no atmosphere, which means there's no medium to which sound can travel in a way that is going to be heard. It's not possible. There is no sound in space. Space is completely silent. That's the first fact about space. This is another fact I'm about to share with us. Most of us will find it very difficult and might want to argue this, but let me share it with us. The hottest planet in our solar system, the hottest planet in our solar system is about 450 degrees Celsius. But the name of that planet, this will shock you. The name of that planet is Venus. You know, Venus is the second closest planet to the sun, and Mercury is the first closest planet to the sun. And most of us are thinking that the hottest planet in our solar system is Mercury, but it's a lie. Let me explain this to you. According to research I made, I don't know everything, but according to the research I made, Venus is the closest planet to the sun, number 2 closest planet to the sun, and it's the most hottest planet out of all the planets in the solar system. Although Venus is not that close to the planet, but it's also very close, like the second closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, but it's not the hottest planet. I know you want to know why. Subscribe to this channel now and I'll tell you why right now. The reason why Mercury isn't the hottest planet is because Mercury has no atmosphere. Mercury has no atmosphere which regulates temperature. So nothing, and without the atmosphere, it will result in big fluctuations. The planet will be fluctuating. You understand what the meaning of fluctuating? When a light is fluctuating, it will be blinking, right? Going on, going off. That's how Mercury is. It's not the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Space facts. A full NASA suit costs $12 million. Wow, that's much. The entire suit costs $12 million, but 70% of this cost is spent on the control module and the backpack of the suit. This suit has been made since 1974 and they're still using it now. Back then in 1974, it was $12 million, but with the currency of about now, to be about $150 million. What fact is that 1 million Earths can fit inside the sun? The sun is large enough that it can contain 1 million Earths. When I say 1 million Earths, we are talking about Earth. This is our planet in 1 million places. Just try to visualize that. Try to visualize Earth in 1 million places. How big is that going to be? And it's going to fit inside the sun. That's what, according to the research I made, that's what they said. They said the sun is large enough to contain 1 million Earth. if it is being compressed. You know, when you compress something together, you force something to enter inside something. They said forcefully is to contain 1 million Earth. Wow, that's much. Fifth one is really mighty. According to the research I made, he said there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. Who's going to count the stars? Who's going to count sand? Is it possible to count sand and the stars? But according to the research I made, these scientists, they try to do things like that are impossible. According to the research I made, there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sands on Earth. Approximately, the stars the scientists counted are 1 septillion. I've never heard that before in my life. I know there's million, trillion, billion, but this one has 24 zeros. So I'm thinking it's septillion. Drop your suggestion in the comment section, because I don't know. It's like 1 and 24 zeros. Like, just drop a suggestion in the comment section. Like, whoever has any idea, I don't know. 24 zeros. I'm thinking septillion. So there's 1 septillion stars. Let me call it septillion. There's 1 septillion stars in the universe. Wow. That's how do they count it? Like, I still don't understand. These scientists are amazing. It's not possible for anybody to count sand, but according to some researchers in the University of Hawaii, they counted the grains of sand all over Earth, about 7 quintillion. Where are they getting these leons? 7 quintillions grains of sand all over the Earth. Wow, that's just so cool. Like, human beings, we are highly intelligent. Seriously, 7 quintillion. That's actually a big sand castle. And what I'm going to share for us today is that the last fact, that's number 7, right? Is that there is a planet made of diamonds. That's a fact. There's a planet made of diamonds. So it was just being discovered. That's what I'm telling you, that the researchers, scientists, they evolved. Their knowledge evolves. Before there were 9 planets. Now there's a planet of diamonds. Can you imagine that? So there's a planet of diamonds, and it's called the Super Earth. It is twice the size of Earth. Yeah, it's twice the size of Earth, and it will cost you about $12 million to travel to this planet. It will cost you about $12 million to travel to this planet. And this planet is also known as 55 Cancri. 55 Cancri. That's what this planet is also known as. And it will cost about $12 million to travel to this planet. If you can risk it, I would advise you to go, because the planet is made of diamonds, and obviously when you get there, you come back with a lot of diamonds. You're gonna be rich. That's if you survive. That's the end of today's video. So I'm still expecting someone to drop 24 zeros. How many? Somebody should count 24 zeros. Like, if 24 zeros is in a number, like, somebody should give me the answer. Is it a quintillion? Is it septillion? Is it billion? Is it million or trillion? Because I don't know the answer. Drop the answer in the comment section, and drop what you think about this video in the comment section. Alright guys, see you next time. I'll be dropping more videos for us regularly. Space, facts, nature, technologies, and news, latest news. I'll be dropping it for us. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Peace out.